Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Toyota Highlander headlight. First, gather your essential tools, including a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a 10mm socket wrench. Make sure you have the correct replacement bulb for your specific Highlander model. Always park your vehicle on a level surface and ensure the engine is completely off before you begin. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, let's get to the headlight. You'll need to partially remove the front bumper cover. Begin by locating and carefully removing all the plastic clips and screws that hold it in place. Once these are out, gently pull the bumper cover away from the fender. This action will give you the necessary space to reach the headlight assembly. Remember to disconnect any electrical connectors that might be attached to the bumper cover itself. With the bumper cover moved, you can now access the headlight assembly. Locate the bolts, usually 3 or 4 of them, that secure the entire assembly. Unscrew these bolts carefully. Once they are removed, gently pull the headlight assembly forward. This provides ample room to work. Now, twist and remove the old headlight bulb from its housing. Be sure to handle the new bulb by its base to avoid touching the glass. Great job! Now it's time to put everything back together. First, reconnect all electrical connectors to your new headlight bulb and the assembly. Carefully slide the headlight assembly back into its original position, ensuring it aligns perfectly, then secure it with the 3 or 4 bolts you removed earlier. Finally, reattach the front bumper cover, making sure all clips and screws are properly fastened. Test your new headlight to confirm it works correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.